In this module, we shall learn the sums based on area of a sector. Here is the very beautiful question which says, to warm the ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degrees to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warmed. The value of pi is given to be 3.14. Let us understand the question in parts, which says, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over the sector of an angle 80 degrees. So here is the red colored light and it is forming a sector where the angle of this sector is given to be 80 degrees and the distance is 16.5 kilometers. Now students, we are supposed to find the area of the sea over which the ships are warmed. That means, as we know it is forming a sector, we need to find its area. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a sector? Superb. It is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us go through the terms which are available. Now, the radius. As we know, the radius is given to be 16.5 kilometers. And the value of theta, that is the central angle, is mentioned as 80 degrees. So now we can find the area of the sector O-AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the values. So we have theta as 80 degrees upon 360 into pi. The value of pi is mentioned as 3.14 into r square, which is 16.5 into 16.5. On further simplifications, 0, 0 getting cancelled. 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into 9 is 36. So, the terms left are 2 upon 9 into 3.14 can be written as 314 upon 100 into 16.5 can be written as 165 upon 10 into 165 upon 10. Now, let us simplify this further. We have 3 into 3 times as 9 and 3 into 55 times as 165. Also 3 into 1 times as 3 and 3 into 55 times as 165. The terms left are 2 into 314 into 55 upon 10,000. The product of 4 terms in the numerator gives us the value as 18,99,700 upon 10,000. Further, the simplification gives the answer as 189.97 kilometers square. So students, we can say that the area of this sector is 189.97 kilometers square. Students, let us understand one more easy sum, which says a car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Now observe the question. It talks about the wipers and there are going to be 2 wipers and the length of each of them is mentioned to be 25 centimeters. And on sweeping, they form an angle and the angle given is 115 degrees. Further, you are supposed to find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Students, if you observe the area swept, it is forming a sector. Superb. So that means we are going to find the areas of these 2 sectors. Now let us understand how to find the area of each of these sectors. For that, each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters. That means we can say the radius of the sector is given, which is 25 centimeters, and at an angle of 115 degrees. The angle is mentioned, that means we can say the central angle theta is equal to 115 degrees. So students, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a sector? Yes, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we write area of sector O-AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let us substitute the values. So we have theta given to be 115 upon 360 into the value of pi, which is 22 upon 7, into r square. The radius is 25. So we have into 25 into 25. Further, 5 into 23 times is 115 and 5 into 72 times is 360. Further, 2 into 36 times is 72 and 2 into 11 times is 22. So we are left with the terms in the numerator 23 upon 36 into 11 upon 7 into 25 into 25. Now let us understand how to find the total area. This was the area of one sector. But students, there are two wipers. So we need to find the areas of these two wipers. So the total area will be equal to 2 into area of one sector, that is 2 into 23 upon 36 into 11 upon 7 into 25 into 25. Further, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 18 is 36. So the terms left are 23 into 11 into 25 into 25. The whole divided by 18 into 7. The product of the numerator gives us the value as 158125 upon 126, which further gets the answer as the total area is equal to 1254.96. So students, we can say that the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades is 1254.96 centimeters square. Thank you.